My dear viewers, this is my Totally Hair Barbies from the 1990s, and today I would like to ask the question, can we improve her crimp waves and how? Six months ago I promised you to come back and show you the result of our crimp waves video that I recorded about 6 months ago, and here she is. So you can see it's almost still looking like she was just curled yesterday, so the curls stay in the position I want them to. That's a benefit, because this is not the only video I made about 90s crimp waves here. And if you're interested how the other methods look that you can use for crimping your doll's hair, I'm going to give you a quick overview to my other video here. But this time we used the curlers. I found out about these curlers and I used them. Here they are looking like this. Very similar to the 90s curlers you get for the crimp hair skipper. I'm going to show you a pic of her. Anyway, that's a box of colors. I think there were at least 30 things in one box, and they were available for only a few euros. So that's a good alternative if you don't have a crimping iron and you want to crimp your doll hair back like it was in the 90s. You can also use these tiny colors here. Maybe this is a good alternative for you because it's cheap, it's a little bit more time consuming, but it's also working very well. Question of the day is, have you ever used these colors? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy from Germany. Bye! And keep your doll's hair coiling.